Welcome to our virtual interactive maintenance. Oh, did you see that rusty drain pan? Oh, sediment trap right there. That's a good sign. Usually the fly-by-night guys will not take the time to put one of these in. It's a good way to tell if the job was inspected in most cases. They had metal strap and unistrut hanging this unit, blocking the blower panel, so they got 2 stars there. But that is also really sharp and it will cut you. On the return side, we did have a 4-inch filter, which is good. It was sealed for the most part, which is good. Although the filter they were using was too thin. If you can tell, a lot of particulates were sneaking by that filter. And they did have a actual return plenum or return box, opposed to a single duct like this one. That's terrible. As for the duct system, these guys strapped it pretty well. If you notice, this is actually flex duct, and it appears to be like hard pipe. It's nice and straight. We did get a little kink here, but it was strapped through and through on the entire system, which really helps with airflow. And last but not least, they did have nice fluffy insulation throughout the attic.